Hey there, Travis. My name is Jose, and today I'm going to give you the 3 tips that we promised you on how to bring in more traffic through your website that you could actually implement yourself onto your website. So, I don't want to waste too much of your time or mine, so let's get to it. The first tip that I have for you is actually content. So, by content, I mean everything that is highlighted here, your text and your images. This is what Google reads when it crawls your website. Okay, so for example, see these little logos here? When I go to save as, see how it's saved under badge 3? You need to save it as a keyword. Okay, so nobody else can see this, but Google does. So you need to save it as roofing Fort Wayne, roofers Fort Wayne, roofing companies Fort Wayne. You need to save it as the words that people are typing into Google when searching for your services. Okay, that way when somebody types that in, Google can match it to you because you have it on your website. Which is another reason why I recommend that you get about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page. That way, uh, you can fit more of these keywords onto your website and be found for more of these services. So I did go ahead and pull up a couple of your top competitors in your area, and I put all 3 of you into this tool that I use called Ahrefs. Now, this tool allows me to look at the back end of your website, and it allows me to look at your keywords that you're being found for. For example, uh, Landmark Roofing has 241 keywords. Bone Dry has 149, and you have 229. Now, the question is, how many are you actually being found for? So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Out of 229 words, let's line them up from least to greatest. You're being found for about 10 words. Okay, so remember, in order to be found, you need to be in positions 1 through 10. So Forever Metal Roofing, 40 searches a month for that, and you're at the bottom of the page. All of these you're at the bottom of the page for. Forever Metal Roofs, Forever Metal Roofing. So there's other people that are ranking for Forever Metal Roofs that are in first position or second position. So you really need to target these keywords and get up there for them. The rest of these words you're not being found for. For example, Fort Wayne Roofing, 150 searches a month. Roofing contractors for Fort Wayne, 100 searches a month. Metal Roofing Indiana, 100 searches a month. Sheet Metal Roof, 450 searches a month. Roofing Fort Wayne, 80 searches a month. Metal. So as you can see, you're missing out on hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, of searches for roofs in your area by not optimizing your website for these keywords. Now let's take a look at these Landmark Roofing for example. Line them up from least to greatest. As you can see, they're in first position for a few words, and a few of them they've been moving up recently. So looks like somebody they found an SEO guy to help them out. So just out of thousands of searches, look at that Landmark Roofing, 1,000 searches a month. Out of thousands of searches, let's say you get about 10% of these, and that's 100 roofs a month. That'd be worth going after. So I just wanted to emphasize how important it is to get you the keywords onto your website and then optimizing for them. So the second tip I have for you is power and the backlinks. So backlinks is how you get power onto your website. The UR here is your front page power, and the DR is your overall website power. Check out your competitors 24/7. They have 121 backlinks. You have 136, which tells me that you have a lot of spammy backlinks or weak backlinks. So what you want to do is go after high quality backlinks. Now what a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. Not all backlinks are built the same, so you want to go after powerful, high quality backlinks. Okay, now I checked out your competitors, and I do have access to about 20,000 websites that are powerful that will take out your competitors. So they are beatable. These backlinks are out there. You just have to do some research. So the third tip I have for you is the map pack here. Uh, in order to beat out your competitors here on the map pack, what you want to do is get citations. And by citations, I mean anytime you list your business name, phone number, and address on an online directory such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com, that's what a citation is. You want to get about 30 or 40 citations above what your competitors have. That will really put you in a good spot and start ranking here on the map pack, because this map pack will bring in a lot of jobs as well. So those are the three tips I wanted to share with you. If remember, you can implement these yourselves. All that I ask in return for this video is to drop me a line of feedback if you can, either on my email, Facebook, or Google My Business. But if you need some help with this, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Jose. Uh, my company is SEO Monster Design. My number is 806-268-7118, and I'd be happy to help. You guys have a good one.